How to find private key in Phantom Wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can find private key in Phantom Wallet. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, open up your Phantom Wallet application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. So from this home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on the account name. So once you land on this page, again next to your account name there is a pencil or edit icon. Tap on it. And under edit account page there, tap on show private key. Here make sure to read all of this information. Once done, tap on this option that says I will not share my private key with anyone including Phantom. Then tap on continue. After that, you have to select your preferred account from where you want to view your private key. Tap on it. Here it will ask for your confirmation again. Tap on yes. So this is your private key that you can share by copying it to the clipboard. So for that, tap on copy and then now you can share it to any secure location. And here remember not to share it online or share it in an unsecured locations. And that's how you can find your private key in Phantom Wallet. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.